Import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. X equals np arrange 0 10 times pi 0.1. Y equals np sine x times exponential minus 0.1x, damping sinusoid. PLT figure size is equal 12 times 6. Plot x, y, line width 2, line style and alpha equals 0.9, marker as O, marker size 4. Damping sine x func, sine x times exponential x, font size and bold, KLT x label, y label, grid, true line style minus alpha, color, gray. PLT.show. This graph represents a damped sine wave defined by the function y equals sine x dot e minus 0.1x. The sine function oscillates as usual, but the amplitude gradually decreases over time due to the exponential decay factor e minus 0.1x. The x-axis represents the input values ranging from 0 to 10 pi, while the y-axis shows the damped sine values. Each oscillation becomes smaller, demonstrating energy loss or damping, which is typical in physical